Let's see what the boy's up to.
Hello, mate. How we doing now?
Hello, mate. Alright, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Just getting ready to take out one of my new cars tomorrow.
You playing with those toys again, are you?
Come on, Alex, you know that's not fair. Some of these RCs are absolute beasts, especially this brand new Typhon that I've just got. You would absolutely love it, mate.
When are you going to grow up?
I'll never grow up, to be honest with you, Alex. Do you know what? Instead of saying that, you should just come along with me. You never know, if you actually try one or try a few of them, you might actually enjoy it.
No, I'm in my 30s, mate. I've stopped playing with cars a long time ago.
You could be any age and you would still be able to pick one of these up and have a huge amount of fun.
Whatever.
I'll tell you what, we've been talking about it for a while. Why don't you just come down to the skate park with me tomorrow and you can actually try a couple of my RCs out for yourself. You never know, you might actually like it.
What time are you going?
I'm going quite early. It's going to be about 9 o'clock in the morning, but you're more than welcome to come along if you want to.
Is anyone going to see me playing with cars in the skate park?
The chances are people are going to see you at the skate park, yes. And not only that, these things do sometimes cause a little bit of attention. So the chances are quite high someone may actually come and watch us or see what we're getting up to.
Oh, great.
Yeah, you up for it?
Yeah, go on then. Yeah, I'll come down.
Nice one. We'll try and get here for about 9 o'clock if you can.
Alright, no worries, mate.
See you later, mate. Take it easy. Bye.
Alright, bye. Bye.
Welcome back to the channel. So today we have come down to this skate park, which is quite local to my house. I've also brought along a good friend of mine called Alex. Now he has no clue when it comes to RC. He doesn't even have an RC car, but today we're going to try and change that because we're going to see if I can tempt him into actually getting one. But not only that, he's like a lot of people out there who have the impression that we just play with all these toys, we're fully grown men, and why are we playing with these toys? But we're going to try and change his idea and his views on that today. So I thought it was about time I bring you out with me. You can finally test out some of my RC cars. Now you actually laughed at me when I started my channel.
Yeah.
What was it you actually said, Alex?
It's for kids.
It's for kids. You know, why is a fully grown man playing with these toy cars? We're going to try and change your idea on that today, mate. We're going to try and get you into it. See if you get the bug. You never know. You ever had any RC cars before?
Had one back in the day. Wasn't anything like this, so it was.
They have changed a little bit since.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know, technology's advanced. Some of the speeds that you can get out of these things today is absolutely crazy. So you never know. You might be tempted.
We'll see.
I'll see you got the Beyond RC hoodie on there as well.
You know, representing.
Yeah, boy. Okay, so the way we're going to do this today, we're going to get Alex to test out 4 of my RC cars. We're going to start with something a little bit more beginner friendly, and we're going to work all the way up to the ARRMA TYPHON, the brand new 6S Beast that I've recently got. I'm being a little bit brave there, letting an absolute beginner take out my brand new Beast, but you know, I'm going to do it just for the sake of you guys, so you can see how funny it will be. So hopefully we can have some fun today. The first car we're going to use is the WL Toys 144001, which is an ideal beginner car. We're going to see how he gets on with that. That's the one. We're going to see how he gets on with that, and then we'll move on to something else, but I'll explain what that is once we've tested this one out. Right, let's do this then. So take it easy at first. It's not the quickest thing in the world, this, because I knew this was going to happen. I don't know if it's wise to let you loose on one of the faster ones later on.
What? Oh! What if I break it?
What if you break it? You pay for it, mate. No, it's all good. Maybe try and avoid like actually,
the one pole in the thing,
maybe like actually try and steer it
and avoid the one pole
and avoid any sort of poles and objects in the way and maybe avoid me as well.
Right, we'll cut that bit out, shall we? Yeah, that's better. Is it?
It's not broke, is it? Yeah.
Oh! What's that?
A dog bone. Yeah, so that's well and truly buckled and bent, mate. There you go. Yeah, I don't know whether I should let you loose on the more expensive ones,
Mate.
Yeah, so the 144001 is no more. That only lasted what, 5 minutes? Was it about 5 minutes out? Anything to say about it?
No, I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine, don't worry. I'm pretty sure I've got spares at home anyway. Mate, it happens, it's all part of the hobby.
I mean, it was fun to do it, and it was a nippy little thing.
It was fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
That's usually the case. But yeah, so that's all good. I've got spares at home, we'll get that fixed
Oh,
up.
no, where I can fix that. Look, just goes in there.
Yeah, the issue is it's not straight anymore.
Nah, we can sort that. Bit of WD-40, mate.
Bit of WD-40 to sort that out.
Yeah, and some gaffer tape.
A few zip ties, cable
There you
ties.
go, done.
There you go. Done.
Yeah, for a model on a shelf, not to race.
Right then, so round two. This time we're going for the ARRMA AB 3.4, another beginner friendly RC. You've probably seen a lot of the videos I've done on my channel about this one, and it is a nice little model. Hopefully we don't break this one, Alex, like we did the last one.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
This
one feels a bit more durable.
Well, you never know.
Yeah, babe. Getting used to this. Little slalom.
It's actually quite good control, you know. Right, ready to give this another go, yeah? Hopefully not break this one.
Whoa, no.
What do you reckon?
It's too high.
What do you reckon? Is it slightly more durable, this one?
Yeah. It landed on its, like, on all fours, so it was alright.
Oh dear. Oh no.
No, not again. Gaffer tape, mate. There you go.
No.
A bit of gaffer tape, mate. That's 2 down. we're moving on to the next.
I'm not sure I want to. They're a little bit more expensive than these. Okay, so unfortunately Alex has managed to break the ARRMA as well. Just a minor break, although looking at the wing, I think the wing mount is broken as well, to be fair, but it's all good.
What's a wing mount?
Huh?
What's a wing mount?
Just the thing that the wing is mounted to. What do you reckon, now up for the next one?
Yeah, mate, bring it.
Let's do it. So we're going to switch over to the ARRMA Granite. Now this is the first RC I got to get me back into the hobby. Got a lot of love for this thing, but I have also bashed it quite hard in the past. So I'm hoping it can survive Alex and his awful control. He didn't hear that, so that's all good. But yeah, I'm hoping the Granite will do alright. We've got some really nice chunky Proline tyres on it as well. So I'm hoping it can absorb a bit of a landing. So taking it up a notch then, we're going for the ARRMA Granite this time. See how you get on with this bad boy.
Can I break this one?
Ideally not.
Cool.
Well, you see something new every day, don't you? The joys of living in East London.
I know, love it. Love it. That's in an awkward place.
Don't slip. Even though that'll make a really good video. And I land on the concrete.
All this grass.
That one might be good.
All this grass and when I land on the concrete.
You completely missed it. How could you miss that? It's massive. Take two.
Man, it looks cloudy there, doesn't it?
Great British weather, eh? Matt decides it wants to start to rain. How'd you get on then?
Yeah, I know, that's my
Do you
favourite.
prefer this one so far, yeah?
100%.
Just because it's
Did you see that last one I just done?
That was a big jump, to be fair. You know, fair play, it's not bad control considering, you know, sort of like the first time you're using these hobby grade RCs. So fair play, mate, you're doing well, to be fair.
I like it. Little slalom, little slalom.
How do you feel about if I let you have a go on my new one?
Is it durable?
Well, they do say it's an ARRMA, so they do say they're built tough. But are they built Alex tough?
We'll see.
So the fourth one of the day then, the ARRMA Typhon, brand new RC to the channel. To be fair, I haven't even really properly run it myself, so I'm being really brave actually letting you loose with it. Bearing in mind you've already broken two of the RCs that we brought down today. How are you feeling about this one?
Nervous and wet.
So this thing was recently released, it only came out last month, so please try and look after it out. It is also starting to rain a little bit, so I'm not sure.
Heavy.
Huh?
It's heavy.
It is quite heavy. This is obviously a lot bigger and heavier and probably more powerful than the others. It's also starting to really rain now, so we're going to see what we can get done. We might have to call it a day soon.
I can feel like it wants to do a lot more than what I'm doing.
So we are only running on 4S at the moment. Obviously, due to the conditions, we're not going to do any 6S stuff until next week, when I will be testing out a brand new set of Ovonic lipos. So stay tuned for that, because I've got a feeling this thing is going to be crazy quick with the Ovonics.
I'm sick of this now, man.
You've actually got better control with this one than any of the others.
Don't say that yet.
Just the fact that it's probably heavier is helping you out a little bit.
I think I want to.
Yeah.
Of course it will.
What do you make of this one so far?
Yeah, I like it because it's heavier.
Because it's got a bit more weight behind it, yeah?
Yeah, definitely helps it control.
It's got a lot more stability in it.
Do I have to clean these after?
No. Mate, do you know what? That's really good control, Al. Considering, you know... Yeah, I mean, because it's got a lot more weight behind it, that's probably helping you quite a lot with stability, to be fair. The others are obviously quite light. I mean, the granite's not light, but that's even with that you manage to control it. Mate, you're flying. Oh well, it's in one piece. That's what I was worried about.
Best one.
Best one so far, yeah?
Best one.
What do you reckon then? Do you reckon you'd be tempted to join me?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Converted, yeah?
No, proper laugh. Good fun.
What about grown men playing with toys?
It's not a toy, is it?
No, it's not a toy.
it's not a
Technically it is, but it's a big boy's toy, isn't it?
It's a man's toy.
So we're going to call it a day there. As you see, Alex had a lot of fun. Thankfully, he didn't manage to break the granite or the Typhon. You can't put that thing down, can you, mate? You love it.
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go. But yeah, it's been a really good one today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment down below. I must have been mad bringing you out with me today. Cheers guys, take it easy, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.